Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some technology stuff for you. These are my tech toys, got some new gear, camera gear and stuff like that. And it all came from Amazon. I love Amazon Prime and I love to unbox them. And I figured why not record it? Now, I have a smaller box here and a bigger box here. This one's really heavy. And then I have two little package slip things. And I don't remember what's what. I got a lot of stuff and I think some more stuff is on the way. And I want to share it with you. Now I just woke up, so if I look really swollen, especially in the eyes, looks like I got punched, yeah. It's just water weight from all the sodium. I'm coming out. I have t-shirts, by the way, called It's Just Water Weight. Go to teespring.com/stores/Nikocado Avocado. But I'm gonna start making more and because I say it all the time. All right, let's just dig in. So this is addressed to me, it came from Santa. Oh, I think I'm supposed to pull something, not cut it, but oh well. I just decided to open it up like this. Okay. Let's just do one at a time. So this here is a camera case, but it's not for a camera, it's for a microphone. Now I love the audio on the G7X Canon, that's what I use. Love it. But if I do, well, I'm staying away from restaurant, ooh, really fuzzy. Staying away from restaurant videos for my mukbangs. My mukbangs, stay away from those just because of the lighting, the copyright, the music, the distractions. The fact that I almost got, attacked one time in Las Vegas in a restaurant, so I don't do a lot of restaurant stuff now, but if I do, I personally like to do those airplane videos because they're safe, obviously, and this is to protect my microphone. So yes, there should be a microphone somewhere in here. Looks nice. Hard and soft at the same time. Nice. It was only like $4 or something. Look at that. Yay. Next, let's do this big box. Ooh, Amazon Prime. I am still waking up. It's like Christmas morning. My brother, yeah, he came down and he's like, you have packages, look. Okay, this is for Orland. Oh my gosh, you wanna know what Orland likes to eat? He loves pistachios. I'm surprised these aren't cashews. So this here is a $40 or $50, how many pounds? Let's see. It's called WeGotNuts.com. I just got from, or he got it from Amazon.
Monthly delivery.
Huh?
I have it set to deliver monthly automatically.
Oh, I didn't even, okay. This must be new. We didn't discuss, no, I'm joking. Of course you don't have to discuss eating. This here is, can I have some? I'm gonna eat your food. I love pistachios. But this is for Orland, he eats lots of fruits and veggies.
Let's try it now. Let me bring you something to eat.
Okay, yeah, we'll have like a little taste test. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, so $45 and it's like a good 5 pounds or something, which is a good price. How much? It doesn't say the pound. Do you remember how many pounds that is?
It's 5 pounds.
Oh, and it's only $45, so, and you're like, only? Okay, but look how many nuts this is. Oh my gosh. This here is our tick spray. So we live in Pennsylvania. We live kind of in the middle of nowhere, but we're right outside Philadelphia. And the woods of Pennsylvania have ticks. You're tempting me. I'm so salty, I shouldn't even.
Go for it. They have more potassium than bananas.
Oh, so it's gonna make the water weight go away.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't help all the salt they put on here.
They don't put that much salt. It's only on the shell.
Pistachios are my favorite. What are my top 3 favorites, do you know?
Durian.
No, of nuts.
Oh, nuts. Walnuts, pistachios, and Brazil nuts, right?
No. Macadamias.
Oh, macadamias, yeah.
And your top nuts are cashews,
Cashews and pistachios.
Cashews again.
Yeah. I only like those 2 nuts.
Neither of us really like almonds. Okay, I need to keep on back. Thank you, honey, for sharing. Okay, so healthful tips and tricks. Due to the high rise of Zika an ongoing increase of tick populations, we are currently experiencing a shortage in bottles and sprayers. While the Sawyer insect repellent will remain unchanged, you might receive a slightly different variation than ones shown online. It protects against Zika, West Nile, yellow fever, not Lyme. See, we're worried about Lyme's disease from ticks, but I guess it does all of them. It just keeps the bugs away. So what we're gonna do,
shower in it.
we like to go out to the garden. The garden is in the middle of whatever, lots of grass and bushes and weeds, and that's where ticks live. They live in the grass and stuff. So we're gonna spray our shoes, not our bodies, just our shoes, because they live in the grass and they crawl upwards. So as long as they don't go on the foot, they're not gonna like fall from the trees on our head or something.
Promise shouldn't go on tall
How do
grass.
they get on people's heads? I had ticks on my heads growing up.
Did you?
A few times.
Because you used to lay on the.
Maybe because I rolled around in the leaves. or
Why were
something.
you doing that?
Because everyone does when they're a kid. Okay, last package. Let's find out what it is. I didn't know this was coming today. Yeah.
Man, these are addictive.
Oh yeah.
It's not even funny.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's a few things. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's do this one first. This is a set, do not separate. So, let's hope they're not cracked. Please don't. They didn't even pack it. Well, it's acrylic, so acrylic doesn't really shatter. Also, let's see. Okay.
Fish tank?
It's by Fish Tank. No. This here, I'm gonna save that. Ooh. I guess it's okay. Do you think this will hold?
Yeah.
Acrylic is strong, right?
It's holding from the top, not from the side.
Look at those scratches.
Acrylic scratches like easily.
Okay, so this here is to put food on top of, to display. You can put jewelry on them. People at stores, they like to display jewelry or different items that they're selling in different size risers. So there's large, medium, and small, but it's very large. This is 5 inches. That's 5 inches. Okay, you know when people are like, how big are you? And they're always like, I'm 8, and it's like this. It's like, okay, people exaggerate. That's a big 5 inches. Wow.
That's 5 inches?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Or maybe it's 6. Oh no, 5, 6, and 7.
That's 7 inches.
Okay, I was gonna say like.
Yeah. Because yours is just 2 inches higher.
Shh. Okay. We're not gonna talk about that. So yeah. So this is for when I do mukbangs. I'm right now on a different table. So I have a table here, another table. This thing can go because I put it on top, and we're gonna use this instead. And I'm gonna put. There's like, I need water. Or maybe I just need more nuts. So the nuts, that, you know, like when you eat popcorn, get little kernels, and it makes you cough if you talk too much. Let's wash it down with some more nuts. Anyways, I'll put like a tray, or my God, I'm swollen, or like a tray to eat. All right, so let's get this out the way. That's exciting. Wow, they're big. They are big. All right. So I got a microphone. Obviously, I said I like my G7X Canon camera. I use the Mark II. This is Orland's camera. This is the G7X original. But I want to try a microphone. Now, there's people who have these big things right in their face. Not really a fan of that. There's people who have things hanging. I feel like when I flail my arms, I'm gonna break that. So this is something a little more discreet, hopefully, and it can be connected to a lavalier mic, which goes to your shirt. Now, I used to have the Zoom H1, and overall, it was great for like what it was, a cheap little thing that goes in your pocket. It wasn't cheap, it was $100 or something like that. But editing with it was really bad because it would go up and down in waves. So when I'm editing it in iMovie, the sound would be high, then low, then high, then low, and it would just do like waves on its own. And so I had to manually adjust everything. Okay, come on, let me open this now. This is unboxing. Now I have to learn how to use it. Great. I'm very bad at learning new things. Very, very bad. Aren't I, Orland?
Very bad.
Oh, okay. So here it is.
It's tiny.
Yeah, which is why I like it. Nice and tiny. Oh, I'm gonna put it here in front of the, so you can see it. Look at that. So this is the microphone. And basically, exactly like the Zoom H1 original, this is like a 2016 version, I think, or 2017. And it's still very plasticky, it's still very lightweight. I'm excited, yay! And then I got this little thing, which is what you're supposed to use on microphones to prevent the wind noises from coming through, like whew, whew, if you're doing an interview outside. This is great for like journalists, interviewers, people on the go who are like, hello, how are you, blah, 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 hello. Or it's just pocket. A lot of reporters use stuff like this. I used this on the airplane before, remember? So this you put on top, which hopefully doesn't shed too much. Oh my god, these things shed like crazy. Wow, I haven't even put it on it. It's shedding. Look at all that.
Oh my.
Look at that. Ooh, shedding. But this prevents wind, obviously, but it also prevents background noises. Like, obviously there's 8 people living in this house, so, or 9 sometimes, and there's a lot of people, a lot of dogs. Now I'm filming right now when everyone's at work and going out and work. You know, I work from home, so, well, my dad's always here, but yeah, so you don't really hear much now, but sometimes I film at like 4 p.m. when everyone's running through the house. Sounds like a stampede upstairs, and people do know this. So this will help. This little buffer will help a little. So that concludes my unboxing show. I can't wait to get started with everything. Thanks for hanging out and waking up with me. Whew, where's my water? Yeah, and I might do another unboxing so you can see all the other stuff I got. I got a lot of other stuff, so. Cheers, and wish me good luck to learn how to use this. Because like I say, I'm bad at learning, but I'm excited to put it to use. Yay, bye. Spur of the moment, let's film this, bye.